Hi, I'm Mev from Papershift, and today I'll show you how you can solve your use case of a general practice with us here in our system. If we take a look on my screen here, I have prepared a little something to look at. So as you can see, I've already created the working areas and assigned nearly everyone to their shifts. On the left-hand side, you can see I've got all my staff members here. So I have got the two doctors here, which is first Dr. Richard Wilson, the second is Dr. Victoria Smith, and I have got Olivia and Thomas who are working at the reception, and then we have got Sharon, who is our nurse for the week. In the top right-hand corner in working areas, this is where you can add more working areas. So as you can see, I've already got 3 rooms. If you were to add a 4th room, for example, simply click on here, add the new working area, hit enter, and then you can start working with it as well. So we now take a look. We'll be planning this one here now, which is, as you can see, we have got 2 days that are not filled just yet in room 1. To ensure that no patients are upset and everyone has been seen on that day, we need to make sure that we have got the right people in. So we'll click on the room 1 and have a look who can take over these shifts. In this case, it's Dr. Richard Wilson who is still available. As you can see, Victoria Smith is already working in room 2 on those days. We click on his name here, activate the recurring assignment, click on save, and you can see it's turned green. We do the same thing for the afternoon shift. Click on his name, click on recurring assignment, and save it again. Perfect. As you can see now, our planning is complete. All the shifts are green, so that's fine. So now Thomas has just called in and he'll be sick on the 5th of June, which can be quite a problem, so we need to ensure that we have got enough cover. But first we need to put in Thomas, we have to put in his absence. So we go here on the absence calendar, look for Thomas, go to the 5th of June, click on the 5th of June here. We need to select the type of absence, which is in his case, it's sickness. As he's working part-time, it's only 4 hours that will be deducted from his sick leave. We save it. Okay, and now we just might need to make sure that we confirm it as well, so it's showing in the system. Perfect. So now, as you can see, here in Thomas' line, you've got the absence sickness, it's green, which means it's confirmed. So now we'll have a look at the shift plan again to see what happened. As he was supposed to work on the 5th of June in the afternoon, unfortunately, obviously there's nothing there anymore. So we need to ensure that we have got a replacement that can cover him. To do that, we simply click on the red shift, have a look again who is available. In that case, it's Olivia, because she's only working in the mornings. Click on that, her name, save it, and then it's green again. So that way you can ensure that it's all planned, that it's all okay. On the left-hand side, as you may have noticed, the target hours here have been slightly exceeded by 4 hours as she had to cover Thomas's shift. So now what we do is we click onto the calendar view here to see what her target hours are for the month. As she's at 64 out of 80 target hours, she's still fine for the month, so maybe next week we'll give her the whole day off and Thomas can cover her shift in the morning. So that was me here at Papershift showing you how you can solve your use case of a general practice. If you have got any questions or any queries, just get back in touch with us. We'd love to hear from you and show you how you can solve your use case with Papershift. Take care, bye.